A judge recently set bail in an Arapahoe County drug case at $500,000, cash only. Thanks for joining us. I'm Angela McCall in for Kim Christensen.
I'm Tom Green. Now, that bail amount wasn't the result of the severity of the charges or fears that the man might not return to court because he has come to every hearing. Instead, the judge did it so the man can't be deported before facing justice on those allegations.
Kevin Vaughn from 9 News Investigates joins us now. Kevin, it sounds like there's kind of a clash of philosophies at work here.
Angelina and Tom, that's exactly right. And this case highlights that tension between the new administration in Washington and local prosecutors. The feds are determined to deport people in the country without authorization, even if that means they won't face charges for alleged crimes here. Many local prosecutors feel strongly that local charges should be adjudicated before someone is deported.
This is the police. We have a warrant.
You wouldn't know of Adon Desiderio Pavone Andino or know of his arrest in an immigration raid in early February, except for this press release and the suggestion he faced a gun possession charge. He didn't.
I've practiced law for 32 years. I've had many cases.
Since then, it's gotten even more curious in the eyes of the man's attorney, Giancarlo Small.
No, I've never seen anything like this.
Pavone Andino is from Honduras. Records show he entered the U.S. without authorization, left voluntarily, entered a second time, got deported, and came back again. Now facing felony drug charges in Arapahoe County, he was free on bond for months until that raid.
He posted a bond because he wants to fight this case. He's innocent. He wants to clear his name.
Immigration and Customs Enforcement wants people like him deported immediately. Here's the head of Denver's DEA office on Fox News.
Send them to their home countries as opposed to spending time and money investigating, prosecuting, and incarcerating them.
If someone's committed a crime in Arapahoe County, they should be held accountable by my office and by the court system in Arapahoe County. So I want that process to play out first before they are deported.
Amy Padden took office in January as Arapahoe County District Attorney.
And I can't get justice for my victim if someone is deported before they face the criminal charges for the crime that they've committed in Arapahoe County.
Last week, a judge in Arapahoe County said deporting Pavone Andino would be depriving the DA's office of the ability to prosecute him. The judge revoked his existing bond, set the new one at $500,000, and sent him to jail. Pavone Andino is scheduled to go on trial in July in the Arapahoe County case. In the meantime, he faces a federal criminal charge of illegal re-entry of a removed alien. That trial is set for May 5th. And there's also the fact federal officials do intend to deport him at some point. Live in the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
I know it's complicated, Kevin, but we know who will be the ultimate arbiter of where this ends up or who gets to handle this case?
It seems at this point that his bail is going to keep him in the Arapahoe County Jail. I'm told he will be moved to federal court for that May 5th hearing, but then he'll go back to the jail, and as long as he's in the jail, he won't be deported.
Certainly interesting to follow. Kevin, thanks.